My role at Richland is the Dean of Enrollment Services. So I'm responsible for a variety of areas, including our admissions office, financial aid, records and registration, advising, career services. So a great balance of programs, student engagement, those kinds of things. So the area I work with works with students from the time that they make contact with Richland through the time that they graduate and become alumni. So we really are going to work with them over the balance of their time that they're enrolled at Richland and then after. I think community colleges are facing a variety of challenges, not the least of which is getting our students earlier, working with students that are underprepared. So we have lots of our students who come who are not perhaps academically prepared to do well in college. We have lots of students who stop in and stop out. So different perhaps than a student who might start at a four-year school. We're really going to get students from all over the place and all the time. So sometimes they're brand new and they've never been to college. Sometimes they've been to our place, to a community college before. Sometimes they're in mid-program, sometimes they're figuring out what program we're switching. One of the other big differences that I think we impact students is that we work a lot with adult students who might be working, who might be coming back, who might still be working, quite frankly, and trying to change careers or enhance where they're at, which is not sort of the same kind of student you might see at a four-year school. We wanted to be an electronic transcript institution, and Parchment allowed us to do that. So we didn't have to continue to be in the business of printing transcripts to someplace because the vendor couldn't send them there. So that was I think if I could say that Parchment really became the full-service option for us. It really was the option that delivered on all the expectations that we had in terms of integration, in terms of support, but also delivered on all the expectations about what students expected their transcript to be, where it would come from, when it would get there, how they would know it's there. All of those kinds of things were met with Parchment, and we have been really satisfied with that delivery of service.